The physical things, which are the soft toys that I bring over from my parents' place.
You have to take a close up later. Hi, I'm Edwin. I'm a lawyer and I'm in my early 30s.
Hi, I'm Elaine. I'm also in my early 30s. I'm a project manager.
So this is a 1,517 square feet HDB resale executive apartment. It's located in the heart of Serangoon. Once you enter the house, at the entrance, you will see a large entryway, and then on your left you will have the new concealed storeroom. Next to it we have the living room and the balcony, and then if you continue moving clockwise, you will have the dining room, followed by a passageway that leads to both the bedrooms as well as our master bedroom. And then connected to the passageway is the kitchen and the service yard as well as the common toilet.
So essentially what we wanted is a colour predominated with like neutrals and also wood colour.
I think we have quite a few specific renovation requests. The main one that we really wanted was a kitchen that could be opened into the living room. The thinking behind that was really, we didn't want to confine our guests to the dining table, and at the same time, because the both of us would like to cook, that would be a good place for our guests to hang out as the food is being prepared.
So every morning I get to see the sunrise, and when the sunset I can see the sunset as well. So to me, I feel that it is a part where I get to see very therapeutic scenes.
Ultimately, how you make it truly yours is whether at the end of it, it's a space that you are comfortable with. It's ultimately whether the things inside and how it's done is something that really suits your mindset, your temperament and your lifestyle.